Welcome back. Time to get sporty, and Harambee Stars intensified their training today ahead of their upcoming fourth tournament in Mauritius. The tournament, which will run from June 11th to 18th, 2023, will feature host Mauritius, Djibouti and Pakistan, and the players in the camp are eager to start.
It's a fairly new squad that is coming in, trying to put in new faces. Also, it takes time at the national level. It's not just a one-day project. You have to build up something. So also it requires a lot of patience. But as the captain, I feel we have the quality, we have the potential. We've seen great players coming from Kenya. We've played big matches. We've played in big competition. The last one being the AFCON, and it was compiled of all the Kenyan players and the Kenyan fraternity. So I believe we have the potential and what it takes, just with good preparation starting early. And now that the standoff, between the FKF and the government is over, it's a new chapter that we are looking forward to.
Tunasikia poa kurudi back. Kumekuwa na new faces sahi, and we're just looking forward to play football, and that's it. But we're glad we came back, seeing new faces, also some players that were here last game, so it's good.
I'm not thinking for the day. I have to think for the future, and I'm not only thinking for the World Cup qualifiers. We have the AFCON qualifiers, and I think I have to concentrate on some groups. This is one group, it's the players who are on the top of their level, who can play or help the national team now at the moment. At the same time, these boys we have a lot of players who are under 23, and therefore one part of our story is also, for example, in end of July we have the Chekafa tournament, so where the boys also can show themselves, also can get international experience, so that in the moment we need them, that they will be ready. Otherwise, it's like you put them in a cold pool, and it can get problems for them. So therefore, our program is on long term. So we are focusing on players where we know that they will help in the future.
So now Commonwealth Super Lightweight champion Sarah Ching is ready for the 10th title against the former World Boxing Council featherweight champion Mauritius Edith Soledad of Argentina. After today's weighing, this will be the first meeting between the two boxers as they battle for the vacant World Boxing Foundation Super Lightweight title.
Ladies and gentlemen, she arrived in Kenya 2 days ago. Ladies and gentlemen,
and let me wish my namesake all the best. Now, the fifth leg of National Men's Volleyball League served Ofat Nyayo Gymnasium Nairobi, and KPA thrashed up Kenya 3 set to nil as Equity punished Kenya Army with the same margin. Elsewhere, Prisons Kenya beat Kenya Forest Service 3.
Stanley Toita being witty. A good serve. Owala receives it. Kosida sets it. Well defended by Kevin, the captain. Again, another dodge. Mwema attempts to pick it. Ball is still in play. Kevin dodges it. Sam Juma. Bosire. Owala.
So now let's have some news on the international sports where Manchester